It's almost an oxymoron. A premium car from a non-luxury brand, but Volkswagen's Arteon is the exception as a fastback sedan with a hatchback. As the successor to VW's long-departed CC, the 2023 Arteon is a cut-rate Audi A5 Sportback introduced 5 years ago that can fulfill various roles as a sports sedan, small luxury family car or budget-sensitive premium pick. At 191.5 inches long, it's comfortably midsize in whatever category it falls. For 2023, all changes to the Arteon are surface level with a better base offering and improved lighting and comfort touches, especially after 2022's new engine was introduced. All trims now include IQ.Drive, VW's driver assistance system. The front-wheel drive base and all-wheel drive upper trims ascend from SEL R-Line, SEL R-Line to SEL Premium R-Line. Competition in this space is well matched with other midsize premium sedans, like the Genesis G70, Cadillac CT4 and Mercedes-Benz Cla. Hyundai's Sonata sedan competes in its N-Line high-performance variant, while the rumored-to-be-soon discontinued Kia Stinger offers similar design, pricing and purpose, along with the top-end Kia K5. To see what a steeper price brings, the Audi A5 Sportback is a good comparison, but the Arteon offers as much back seat legroom as a Honda Accord and a huge hatchback with more cargo room than any midsize competitor. The trim lineup starts with the front-wheel drive SEL R-Line at $44,305 including all fees, and then moves up to the all-wheel drive, odd, top trims, SEL R-Line at $48,475 and SEL Premium R-Line at $51,470. All offer impressive 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, much more powerful than most popular brand midsize sedans, and more closely aligned with the high-performance Sonata N-Line or Kia K5 GT. It's a winner in backseat legroom, outstretching all direct competitors, although it's not as plush of an interior as in an Audi or Mercedes. Front seat settings are premium as standard, and the hatchback opening is now power-assisted for easy opening and closing. Channeling some Audi essence, it can be sleek and sporty from some angles.